Hey guys, got a couple of things in. One that I was expecting and another one that I was not. From this guy. I don't know if you can see that very well. But Brad8671 sent me a package. So first thing I'll get into is the card that I did know about. I jumped in a raffle for a Bo Jackson autograph, and I took a few spots in it, and I didn't win. I did not win the raffle, but John jumped in and he won it. So I was really appreciative of him. He took some spots for me, and so I ended up getting the Bo. And it's good because my luck is horrible. His luck's better than mine. So brought home a really nice Bo Jackson for my PC. So I really appreciate that, John. So I just showed this card recently. I think my last video, numbered to 20, this was one that I was going to throw on my website that I hadn't scanned. Let's see if I can get a better view here. Maybe not. But a really nice Supreme Bo Jackson, blue to 20. And the card John won for me is its homie, the white parallel, which I think actually looks better. I don't know, I like the white. Maybe just a better contrast with the Raiders uni, but it looks really good. And the white is numbered to 31. Maybe if I take it out of here, you can see it better. Numbered out of 31. So now I have the blue to 20 and the white to 31. So thank you so much, John. Really, really appreciate you jumping in and taking some spots for me. So really nice hookup there. So Jwsmitty, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I know a lot of people will talk bad about you, and all of it's true. Every single bit of it's true, but I love you. I love you, man. All right, so this package from Brad, it was unannounced. I have no idea what it is. However, I have seen other people getting packages from Brad, and it's got some pretty sweet stuff in it. So I'm a little nervioso to get into this. Got the child scissors shinger for the win. Let's see what we got here. We got a little happy holidays. What does it say? Hey James, hope you and the family have a very happy holidays. Dude, you are like way quick with the holiday stuff. You're like on it. So I probably won't even get my stuff mailed out until probably a couple days after Christmas. Anyway, I don't know how to slow. Well, I see the card on the front, so I don't know the best way to do this. I'm just, without looking, I'm gonna cover it up, and I'm just gonna pull the card from the top. I did see the bottom. It is a Leaf Valiant. It's green, which is really sweet, because for Oregon Ducks, Josh Huff. Man, I really miss Josh Huff this year. Just a phenomenal receiver. The Ducks are still doing really well. Number 2 in the college football playoff rankings so far, so that's a good place to be. So really cool. And like if it was decided today and the standings were how they are, we'd be playing Florida State, it looks like, which would be awesome. And then I don't know, it'd be really cool. Bobby, your Seminoles, I tell you what. But anyway, I've been talking to other people, college football guys. Jason, Big Fish, is Bama's rolling. And I don't know any Mississippi State dudes. But it's been pretty fun. It's been really fun this college football season. Anyway, sorry I'm blabbing on. Brad hooked me up with this Josh Huff. And looks like one more card. I'm just gonna pull it out and just show you. Boom. Oh, Dan Fouts. Now this takes some college football knowledge. Dan Fouts, Brad, sick. And this is in his Ducks uniform. Ducks uni, Dan Fouts. So sick. Air Coryell. Dan Fouts. Skybox Autographics. Sick. Nice O logo on the back. The old school unis. Oh yeah. So, boom. Freaking hookup from Brad. Happy holidays, my friend. Nice Hall of Fame Duck autograph. Duck Hall of Fame and NFL Hall of Famer Dan Fouts. Sick. All on the sticker. Boom. That's a sweet card, Brad. Brad, thank you. Thank you. All right, Brad. All right. We can play that game. Anyway, I'm so stoked, man. Brad hooked me up. John hooked me up. So I wouldn't have anything cool to show you guys if it wasn't for those two dudes freaking blasting my mailbox. So there it is. Hookups from the tubers. Bam bam. So sick. So sick. Alright guys. Take her easy.